Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video we'll be talking about how to fix a DSTV decoder not booting up. Number 1. Check the power supply. Ensure the power cable is securely plugged into both the decoder and the wall socket. If using a power strip, make sure it's switched on and working properly. Number 2. Try a different power source. If possible, plug the decoder directly into a different wall socket to rule out issues with the current one. Number 3. Reset the decoder. Unplug the decoder from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can help clear any temporary software glitches that might be causing the boot up issue. Number 4. Check for overheating. If the decoder has been in use for a long time, it might be overheating. Ensure the decoder is in a well ventilated area and not blocked by objects. Let it cool down for a while before you try again. Number 5. Perform a hard reset or a factory reset. If the above steps don't work, you might need to do a hard reset. Hold down the power button on the decoder for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This may restore factory settings and fix boot up issues. Note, a hard reset may erase some of your custom settings or recordings. Number 6. Check for software updates. Sometimes a software update is required to fix boot issues. If the decoder manages to power on, check for any available updates in the settings menu. Number 7. Contact DSTV support. If none of the above steps work, there may be a hardware fault with the decoder. Contact DSTV customer support for further troubleshooting or to arrange a repair.